Hey guys, at last I've managed to get out to go fishing. It's been a while. Anyway, I'm at Albert River. I'm going to do a little bit of bait fishing for a change with some worms. But I'm going to be fishing on the bottom, depending how this water is. I might go on the float as well. But at the moment I'm at Luscombe Weir, if you can see. Now, this looks a cracking place to fish. The Gold Coast Council and the Logan Council are going to join together and demolish this weir, which will help the fish migrate upriver. But there's plenty of fish in here. I have seen them, but I'm going to go downstream into the snakier area. But because it's winter, hopefully they'll be more docile and they won't be out. So I'm going to fish a couple of little pools and hopefully I'm going to snag some bass. So let's get on with it. So since we had the last floods, this is opened up quite well. Wasn't as overgrown today as it is normally. That's why I never come down here. And yeah, just be full of snakes, but it's took away a load of shrubs and it's made it nice and easy to walk. But the pools that were there haven't materialised as yet. The Foss pool was here, but as if by magic, a tree has appeared. So, on to the next one. So what I'm going to do, I'll probably just set up just over there and throw in here. I think I'm going to ledger for a while first. I've got me rigged and ready travel rod, so I can put all different types of tips on it. I can make it into a fly rod, I can make it a quiver tip, make it into a sea rod, lure rod, a lot. So I think I'll set up here, and then I'm going to chuck in that, just that slow area over there. I don't know if you can make it out. I'll try that. Always have that net set up. You never know when you're going to have a big fish. Well, let's get to it. Got some little, there we go. Oh, first thing, first fish. Whoa. Oh, just got to keep it away from behind that tree, which it's gone, and it's come off. Ah. Snapped. Oh dear. Oh well, back to the drawing board. So because of that missed fish, I'm now going to go further downstream. I'm going to bait up first. I'm going to put a worm on just in case I see another spot I want to throw my line out. But so far, Albert River fish 1, breaking dirt 0. Stay tuned. I've just cast into the middle, but there's a lot of boiling water which suggests there's some underwater features that I can't see. I think I'm going to try and cast in a bit of darker water down there. It's calm. A couple of tree roots sticking out. There we go. And that's a good fish. It feels like a carp. So I'll try and keep it away from them weeds, the trunks, leaf, branches. Haven't seen it yet. And again, I think it might be an eel. Can't see it. Ah, bloody eel. Perfect for shark bait. But this is going to be one lucky eel, because I'm going to put this one back. That's just going to slime my line up. Let it go back. Little wriggly little things. Perfect. Yeah. Not that perfect. Yeah. Fish on. It's grating against the floor. What this is, it's coming in quick. Oh fuck. Oh, silver. Oh, a nice bass. There she is. Nice Albert River bass. It's just spurned me. Don't put that back. Unfortunately, my time's come to an end. So at least I've got out for a little bit. One lost fish, landed an eel. All the pools have changed after the last flood. So I'll probably give it 5 more minutes. If I catch fish, great. If not, then I'll see you on the next one.